Hello everybody, Min here. Welcome back to Just Fitness. Today we're going to go over the uppercut elbow. The nice part is the uppercut elbow, same mechanics as throwing a hook. So if you know how to throw a right hook or a left hook, the uppercut elbow is very, very easy. The only difference is what your hands are doing. All you got to think about is just being cool. You just got to slide your hair back a little. Okay, it's that simple. I'm just going to run my hand across my head as I turn my body through. Core nice and tight. Push off your toes through the hips. Core stays engaged. And you just pop it up. When you throw this too, it also acts as a guard. So this is really, really useful if you have someone throwing a lot of hooks at you. Because they throw a hook, that center line is exposed. And at the same time as you block the hook, you can also sneak in an elbow for a little extra damage. So we're here. I'm nice and close to the bag. I don't want to be out here long range. I want to be close so I can land these elbows, okay? I'm going to work sure when I throw this elbow, I'm not also on the center line. I got to step off slightly. So I'm here, I step off the line, I turn my body through, and I just lift the elbow up. On the bag, it won't make a really big noise, but on the pads, you're going to deal a lot of damage. Mostly because this is a upright, object, so I'm just going to kind of touch it with it. But in reality, if it's something a lot lower, you can land with a lot of impact. My last little tip is to kind of curve it a little bit. If you throw it like straight up, your chin usually will come up a little bit. You'll be a little bit exposed. But if you turn it in, you create a nice tight shell, and you also get a little bit of a pop into the movement, like so. You can do left or right. And see, I'm just touching. You don't want to reach with it or else you'll overextend and you open yourself up for counters. This is what I mean. I don't want to be really far away and overextend towards the target. See, I'm bringing my body weight through, but my feet's still behind me. I'm going to eat some counters if I do that. So, nice and close. Just touch. Just like so. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you next time.